Hi, welcome to our second tutorial video. Now in this tutorial, we'll be looking at the sub-main menu in SMARTRobie that looks into individual stocks. So for example, we can select our Pentagon Guider, and from this list, let's pick a stock, Pentagon Guider, for example, Daibochi. And you can see in the menu, there will be live price, exit strategy, stock comment and chart, news, trading plan, and stock fundamentals. Of course, the first thing that you would like to check will be the stock live prices. Now, after knowing the price, you want to look at the stock comment and charts. It tells you that Daibochi has just started going up in trend, which is a bullish trend. In the chart below, you can see the orange and blue trend zones, which tells you whether it is in a bullish or bearish trend. And today, the green pentagon appeared and the trend had turned into a blue trend. So if you are interested in this stock, the next thing you want to look at is the trading plan. This stock, SMARTRobie tells you to think about Daibochi only if it surpasses over the ST short-term resistance level at 2.56 ringgit or pullback entry at 2.40 ringgit to 2.41 ringgit. And the holding period for this trade is 2 weeks to 2 months. And the medium target profit will be 2.68 ringgit. And if you bought this stock, of course, you will be concerned of the next quarterly earnings results that will be out on the 22nd of June 2021. So now moving on, we shall look at the stock fundamental, which is one of our best features that provides you the fundamental analysis data you need to know to understand the fundamentals of a company. In this case, the FA rating for Daibochi is actually 5/8. Actually, any stock with the rating above 3 out of 8 would be considered to have good fundamentals. So this is actually a stock that is good to invest in. Now do take note of the double stars, as the double means it is good. Here, you are able to see the PE ratio, ROE, dividend yield, and market capital. With the sector average next to it, you are always able to make comparisons easily. SMARTRobie is also able to calculate the intrinsic value based on the 10% rate of return, giving it 2.79 ringgit, and its closing price is just 2.49 ringgit. Definitely makes this stock undervalued. So if you want to know how we calculate our intrinsic value, you can also watch this video tutorial here. Also, we have recently updated another new feature here, which are the top 3 shareholders of the stock based on the annual report that has been given out. A kind note to all of you is that you would like to invest into a company with good financial institutions being the top shareholders. So now that you have your trading plan, of course, you will want to know what is the exit strategy for this stock. It is usually for those of you who have entered this stock and want to know when should I exit. Here, SMARTRobie would suggest you when you should exit, or perhaps you would like to take partial profit when it reaches TP1 or TP2. And you may exit on the next red pentagon. SMARTRobie is also smart enough to recommend you another counter to consider if you have exited. So next, in the news section, there will be a sentiment analysis, whether it's positive or negative, and a collection of some of the related news that the company has. So now, this is the end of this tutorial already. Feel free to always contact us if you need any further assistance. We will be happy to help. Thank you for downloading SMARTRobie, and I hope you enjoy using this app.